Every day, millions of trades across geographies, currencies, and products are carried out. All these trades need to be reconciled in a transaction lifecycle management system, which is almost 95% accurate. But the 5% failed reconciliations has to be carried out manually. A large-sized investment bank typically has a dedicated team of 200 to 500 associates for this, which is huge. Each of the reconciliation traverses a SOP rulebook, which is complex and is different for each reconciliation. Given this fragmentation, their automation is infeasible. Then how do we automate such complex processes? Introducing AlgonoX Smart RPA. It is a scientific approach for assessment, which identifies 100% automation opportunities. It also suggests the possible modularity in the robotic implementation. We deploy microbots at such places, which gives a high robotic yield. In the context of reconciliation use case presented earlier, the process maps for different categories of reconciliations were taken as inputs in Smart Assessment Tool. This will churn out the exact modules that need to be roboticized, for higher yield of 35% even in the most fragmented processes. For example, common tasks across various types of reconciliations like downloading, matching, allocating and reporting have been identified and microbots created for them. Eventually, these microbots serve the functional bots to achieve the individual reconciliations, automated to a large extent of up to 60% in certain cases. Here, automation is performed using two different tools, based on their strengths of robotic desktop automation versus robotic process automation. The audit trail generated by robots is reconciled against the SOP rules to make sure that robots are performing intended actions only, thus making the complete process risk-free. Currently, we are experimenting with the big data of audit trails generated by robots, which is being fed back into TensorFlow for deep learning insights about process efficiency. AlgonoX Smart RPA achieves an increased throughput of almost 30% volume, without an increase in manual effort. Also, manual errors are brought down to half the original number. AlgonoX, a scientific approach to RPA.